In this video, I am going to show you how you can easily share your Telegram group link. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the video. So for the first step is that you're going to head over to Telegram. Once you're in Telegram, what you're going to do now is that you're going to click on your group. Once you click on your group, what you're going to do now is that you're going to click on your group's profile. Once you do that, click on the pen tool right over here. Once you click on the pen tool, what you're going to do now is that you're going to click on the invite links option. Once you do that, you can easily copy the link of your Telegram group, or you can easily click on the share button and share the link to whoever you want to share the link to. So let's say the group is not yours and you want to share somebody's group link on Telegram. What you can do is that you can go over to that person's group right over here and then click on his profile. Once you do that, you can click on these three dots and click on the share option, and that's how you can easily share the link of another group on Telegram. So without wasting much time, thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.